Chapter 3, Arithmetic Progression. Practice set 3.3. Question number 7. We have studied 1 to 6 question in last video, and question number 7 is, in an AP the sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Find the terms. Assume that 3 consecutive terms in AP are a minus d, a and a plus d. So here we have to find sum of 3 consecutive terms, and 3 consecutive terms are a minus d, a and a plus d, and their products. In product of 3 consecutive terms कितना है 504. Product of 3 consecutive terms is 504. Then find the terms. हम लोग को वो 3 terms find करना है. So first let the 3 consecutive terms in an AP are a minus d, a and a plus d. So according to first condition, so from the first condition, and first condition is sum of the 3 consecutive term is 27. The 3 consecutive terms a minus d plus a plus d is 27. So a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 27. See here, minus d plus d get cancelled. A plus a, therefore 3a is equal to 27, and therefore a is equal to 27 upon 3, a is equal to 9. A is equal to 9, and second condition is their product. So from second condition in product is 504. Their product means product of 3 consecutive terms is 504. So first a minus d into a into a plus d is equal to 504. So a minus d, a plus d, a minus d, a plus d into a is equal to 504. And we know that a plus b, a minus b, formula is a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square plus b square. Formula क्या है? A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A plus b, first bracket a plus b, second bracket a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here a minus d, second bracket a plus d. So here you can write a square minus d square. a square minus d square इंटू ए इज इक्वल टू 504। आप ये दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते, बाद में ए मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड थर्ड मल्टीप्लिकेशन आप कर सकते। सो ये a square minus d square into a is equal to 504। now multiply a into this bracket, a into a square a cube, a into d square a d square is equal to 504। next a is equal to 9, so substitute this a is equal to 9 in here, so but a is equal to 9, so a cube minus a d square is equal to 504, 9 cube into 9 d square is equal to 504। so 9 cube is 729 into 9 d square is equal to 504। therefore 9 d square is equal to 504 minus 729 is equal to minus 225। so minus d square is equal to minus 225, minus minus get cancelled, therefore 9d square is equal to 225, therefore d square is equal to 225 upon 9, therefore d square is equal to 25। taking square root, d is equal to plus minus 5, taking square root, d is equal to plus minus 5। so we know that 5 plus 5 square is 25 and minus 5 square is 25, so therefore 25, the square root of 25 is plus 5 as well as minus 5, so d is equal to plus 5 and minus 5, therefore the three consecutive terms are a minus d, a plus d, a minus d, so a is equal to 9, so d is equal to plus 5 or d is equal to minus 5, so first take d is equal to plus 5, so minus d is equal to 5, therefore 4, second term is a is equal to 9, third term a plus d, a is equal to 9, d is equal to 5, therefore 9 plus 5 is 14, again take a is equal to 9 and d is equal to minus 5, so first term a minus d, a is 9 minus d is minus 5, so 9 minus minus get plus 5 is equal to 14, second term a is equal to 9, third term a plus d, so a is equal to 9 plus minus 5, so 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, so the three consecutive terms are 4, 9, 14 or 14, 9, 4, therefore the three consecutive terms are 4, 9, 14, 4, 9, 14 or 14, 9, 4. 14, 9, 4. Got it? So next question. Question number 8. Question number 8. Find 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12 and sum of the third and fourth term is 14. So let the 3 consecutive terms in an AP be A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Next, from first condition, first condition is 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12, means A minus D plus A plus A plus D plus A plus 2D is equal to 12. So open the bracket, A minus D plus A plus A plus D, A plus 2D is equal to 12. A plus A plus A plus A, 4A, 4A minus D plus D get cancelled, so plus 2D is equal to 12. So divide by 2, so 2 get common, so 2A plus D is equal to 12. Therefore 2A plus 2, 2A plus D is equal to 12 upon 2. Therefore 2A plus D is equal to 6. तो यहाँ पे आप लोग कर सकते, डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड बाय 2, डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड बाय 2, so you will get 2A plus D is equal to 6, and suppose this is equation 1. So from second condition, and second condition is sum of third and fourth term, sum of third and fourth. Third term is A plus D, fourth term is A plus 2D. So A plus D plus A plus 2D is equal to 14. So A plus D, A plus 2D is equal to 14. A plus A, 2A, A plus 3D, sorry, A plus 2D is 3D is equal to 14. So 2A plus 3D is equal to 14. Equation second. See here, equation 1, equation 2. We get simultaneous equation. So see here, 2A, 2A, coefficient of A is same, साइन सेम, तो हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ेगा, सब्सट्रैक्टिंग. तो सब्सट्रैक्टिंग इक्वेशन 1 from equation 2. equation 2. So 2a plus 3d is equal to 14. 2a plus d इज इक्वल टू 6. सब्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे तो क्या हो जाएगा, साइन चेंज, प्लस का क्या हो जाएगा माइनस. सो 2 प्लस 2a माइनस 2a गेट कैंसल. 3d माइनस d 2d. 14 minus 6 is 8. Therefore d is equal to 8 upon 2. d is equal to 4. d is equal to 4. So we get d is equal to 4. Substituting d is equal to 4 in equation 1. And equation 1 is 2a plus d is equal to 6. 2a, d is 4, is equal to 6. Therefore 2a is equal to 6 minus 4. So 2a is equal to 2, and therefore a is equal to 2 upon 2. a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1, d is equal to 4. We get a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 4. First term a minus d, see here, first term is a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. So a is 1, d is 4, answer is minus 3. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Second term is a is equal to 1. Third term is a plus d, a is 1, d is 4, is equal to 5. Fourth term is a plus 2d, a is 1 plus 2, d is 4, 1, 2 into 4 is 8, is equal to 9. Therefore the 4 consecutive terms are minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. Minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. Minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. So next question number 9. Question number 9. If the ninth term of an AP is 0, then show that 29th term is twice the 19th term. 29th term is twice the 19th term. So that first term of the AP be A and common difference is D. What is the given? 9th term of an AP 0. 9th term means T9 is equal to 0. T9 is equal to 0. So T9, so Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Formula Tn, so T9 n is equal to 9, a plus 9 minus 1 into d, but T9 is 0, so a plus 8d. Therefore a is equal to minus 8d. therefore A is equal to minus 8D. नेक्स्ट हम लोग को क्या शो करना है, 29 टर्म इज ट्वाइस द 19 टर्म्स. सो फर्स्ट हम 19 टर्म फाइंड करते हैं. T19 so formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T19 A n is equal to 19, 19 minus 1 into D is equal to A plus 18D. A plus 18D. So T19 is equal to A plus 18D, but A is equal to minus 8. A is equal to minus 8. A is equal to minus 8 plus 18D from 2. So minus 8D plus 18D is equal to 10D. So T19 is equal to 10D. Suppose this is equation third. Next, T29. T29 हम लोग को फाइंड करना है. So using formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D formula T29 is equal to A plus n is equal to 29, 29 minus 1 into D. A plus 28, 29 minus 1 is 28D, but A is equal to minus 8. A is equal to minus 8 plus 28D from 2. Minus 8 plus 28, that is plus 20. 20D. 20D, it can be write 2 into 10D. 20 means 2 into 10D. So 2. 10D is equal to 10D is equal to T19. 10D is equal to T. 10D is equal to T19. So 10D is equal to T19 from third. So we get T29 is equal to twice T29, 2 into T19 means 29 term is twice the 19 term. 29 term is therefore 29th term is twice the 19 term. Got it? Thank you.